Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Well, here it is. Get it, baby. Shit. Oh, God. What's my mouth? It's chicken! Chicken! Get it, baby, get it. Get it, love. Get it. Get it, baby. Get it. Well, get it. Get it. Can I have chicken? Can I have him? Chicken. Oh, there's chicken. There he is. Get him. I ain't gonna get chicken. You get him. You get him. Dada, you gotta get him. I'm gonna get him.
Give me that chicken. Give me that chicken.
Going crazy.
Throw that chicken away. He's dead.
That's worse than the last one. I'm. He's all muffled under the blanket. Get him! Get him! Hold him. Hold the chicken. Chicken! 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 Get him! Get him! Get him!
That's the second annoying sound.
Yep, I have to agree with that one. Oh, chicken. Okay. Oh, get him.